Well, this just isn't gonna do. That's better. Now we can properly decorate for Christmas. Thank you guys so much for joining us for another video. A lot of you wanted to see how am I gonna decorate for Christmas? So you wanted it, you got it. First things first, I've always wanted a mantle, so we are gonna get started with that. I'm so excited with how this turned out, my mantle. I love it so much. I do have to add some stockings. We have like random stockings, you know, that are like our favorite things, but they don't match. And I know, it doesn't matter, but for the aesthetically pleasing eye, you have to have matching stockings. So I'll be getting this tomorrow and I will show you what that looks like. But now you're wondering, why does she have this random wreath here? Well, when I go live and I do trainings and stuff from my desk, I shut these doors. And so I want that to be visually nice for people. So I change this out per season. So we're gonna just take this fall wreath down, which is gorgeous. And we're gonna hang up this super sparkly. How pretty is this? And we're finished with this space right here. Only one more thing left to do in this room, and that is to put up our department store tree, as Asa would like to call it. I just call it a theme tree. Call it what you want. Comment down below. Do you guys do theme trees? Do you do family trees? Maybe a little bit of both? What do you like to do? Time for the foyer. So I wanted to bring some of the natural, you know, the burlap, the cotton, the whites, the gold into here, but then I also need that pop of color for red, because once we move to the house, through the rest of the house, we're gonna bring the reds and the greens, the traditional Christmas colors. So I feel like it worked out really well. Again, something I've always wanted to do is decorate my banister, and I am so pleased with how it turned out. We are gonna go ahead and skip over the dining room because I just don't have everything I need for that space yet. But we are moving into the kitchen. We're trying to do elegant but still playful, traditional Christmas, the red, the green, the white. I love those colors. So you will see that flowing through into the family room. So this is the elves' favorite room, because this is really where the true meaning of Christmas is enjoyed in our family. All the way from the nutcracker to the deer that my grandpa made for me over 30 years ago. This is where we're gonna go and open our presents Christmas morning and just spend that fun family time together. So I love it, and I hope you guys enjoy it as well. So excited with how this turned out. We still have the dining room left to do, got to get a few things left, and we have the front of the house lights. So make sure you stick around, check out our main vlogging channel so you can see how we finish our Charleston inspired home. It's my Charleston inspired home. I think it looks amazing. So thanks for watching. We will see you next time. Merry Christmas!
choice. Christmas, but I'll be missing you right now.
And they flicker. Like a real candle. Oh, this just keeps getting better. Only one left, and that will be our department tree store, as Asa calls it.
Department tree store?
Our department store tree. Only, she just knocked that over. Only one more thing left to do in this room, and that is to put up our department tree. Put up our department tree store. What are you doing? What are you doing in there? Huh? Get out. Oh my gosh. She's a mess, y'all. She's into everything.